Okay, Abusanfo ya mama nyina chen mama kwaba. Good morning, Mr. President. We are the citizens' address. We address the president our relevant issues are. Ebua nabema omai Ghana etimin so etumpong. Mr. President, and I don't pay your address. I address so on the fight against Galamsey. The fight against Galamsey, chapter 2. The past, assessment of the past and the future prospect. A dear near a chemu our Galamsey a kwa ye ko. Na himfa and a ye ko asomai na ye be den. I fear you see me na ma monitor all the discussions. Ye de chire. The president Nana Danko Akufo-Addo, Regina Paul, the new lands and forestry minister waba. I want no air ni Musa wabeko Galamsey ekon. And you mean the dance sampa. There is an attempt. I bet me so. I relaunch a new move. I bet to a Galamsey etrue. The latest revelation and a reporter abetoja. You, I say, oh Ghana, woshe yen koko ayedua. Ewo ebibimemwa especially o my Ghana de ba. Enubone a Galamsey no amana kwa wura yen sas muntino. Anhwe ya yen koko kra no omo ba be sanction yen. Yan to because say koko no ekwa nuru boni ewo muntino e affect ye bibia. In 2016, Ghana fought to about the man and now Danko Akufo-Addo. The first major thing apart from free SHS or the a campaign launch against illegal mining. President was very critical, was very explosive, on point to the stand. They say, Mr. President, Utu Anamoma Ghana from the media, almost every quarter. Another aspect, angle of my Ghana and then the support amount because ye who say Galamsey a major thing ekum my Ghana. Adia bakwa my etu hosa we my Ghana ni je and wanamuntua utu yese ubetu Galamsey. In January 2017, Owura Peter Amewu no lands and natural resources minister okoko pie vetin do why bisa and say president alanche Galamsey a dia na mo na wutu so ya ne president aka bom and ye manyina dia danse asamwa president o kan ya Ghana for any G a Ghana for bo say ma won say wo as Nana Danko Akufo-Addo you are putting your presidency on the line say Galamsey fight anya ya Ghana for you ayeje. You said this, Mr. President.
I am prepared to put my presidency on the line on this matter. I've heard it been said that I should be careful. Many of these people voted for me. I know if I continue this exercise, perhaps they will not vote for me again. If by the grace of God I'm in a position, my party allows me to go again and I have the health and everything to go again, but I'll not get it again. And I'll say to myself, well, this is a choice that all of us have to make as human beings. You do what you think is right, or do you do what you think will allow you to get along? I think that you do what you think is right. That is what you're required to do.
Mr. President, you were very bold, you were on point. Ghana for any asasma wakaye na obia who say you were committed. So bet me abwa Accra International Conference Center and I walk away, and that was July 2017. Oba Bemuna ye less than 6 months. And I'm Mr. President, I said we would do and Ghana for in any J. At the time when Obia all odds were against you, and so you were bold and emphatic. As ultimate state will point to say over fighting Galamsey. Fast forward, Owura Amewu, the then Lands and Natural Resources Minister, Okoye was here. The president Akabom Galamsey fight and yeah, be a besibiano, you better susa.
If you refuse to do the right thing, the law will get you.
The thick forest cover has been depleted, with scenes of tree species cut and buried in mud.
Party executives that are engaged in the Galamsey, are you sure we're going to be able to enforce them strictly? Mr. Chairman, that is a very good question. Mr. Chairman, I'm not a minister for party executives. Mr. Chairman, I'm a minister for the Republic of Ghana. And for the purpose of intergenerational equity, we must leave something down for our generation to come and see. Mr. Chairman, if the past 50 years, our forefathers have done what we are doing today, I don't think we will have a water to drink. And so irrespective of your party color, irrespective of who owns the land, irrespective of your family background, the law will be applied. I think that is the main reason why the law was amended.
The law will be applied, and the law will be, that was why it was amended. Nana Redan Kwako for the Lands and Natural Resources Minister Repita Mewuni, Abitavo Munteno, Amewuna Cas Assembly, at a veteran, a bread do wise can say, party Mabi, Ewa Galamsey Twenimu, Ubey bold, Ubetibi and the courage, the political will, and dealing with them. Mr. President, Amewu say, or Baba Minister, Eddie Magana for your party. Amewu, and they are Frewa, Ubetimi Ababe Cas Assembly with him. At Ghana for, so whoa. We a minister for all Ghanaians. I will be fighting Galamsey to the sense they do baby no. Yeah, you are energy ministry. Yes, sir. A yamra na ya debo a you bang. Ya debo ya de chin one wire bonnet. I will good year to Galamsey illegal mining home. To the extent they say as a brana or honor, it was not biting. Yes, sir. In fact, a do maybe not the year drink now crown say. Everything was on point. Yes, you BBBR at a point in time, Mr. President, you started well. Emaniama Hudwa, Nagana Funya, Nidiachre, and Anamo Koso. What interministerial committee? And that committee was responsible. So, Metimi Aquakotu, Galamsey Susa, Operation Vanguard, Ebai, and all the operations, Estate, and will be a Yenejuma. In fact, Ora asoma chreme. I will not Osama be take you over from Amewu Ekasai. But earlier, Mr. President, you gave Ghanaians reasons. In August 2019, I will announce say said ya beya emrane beya dwumantino wo de amawa gina so mamna sebedwam ya sesa a kwan obi ya bone wo Galamsey ho a ya betwena so no. The minimum sentence na 15 years. You said this, Mr. President.
We have also made additional law, which I think is also significant, the amendment of the mining law to provide for much stiffer sanctions and punishment for those involved in illegal mining. It was brought to me yesterday for my assent, so it is now law. The Parliament has amended the mining law and heightened considerably the penalties for those engaged in illegal mining in the so-called Galamsey. We're talking about minimum sentences of 15 years, maximum 25 years. We have increased the punishment for foreigners who intervene illegally in this industry.
Mr. President, Samna Wajna Babetoja, with all the expectations that near bet me a fighting Galamsey, Aqua could do baby. And yet you here. In the under the 4-year term, the first 4 years, we had the whole Ashawan under John Dramani Mahama time abraso Ghana for now sorry etia ye nim so mama no your time oba you mrani bedino ye che no kodu baby me kai Solomon, one gentleman Solomon in the US at the conference okobisa say oba no amoche no or wahemfa owura the senior minister then ya was half mafo eko abrochire koka say the relationship be any China ne Ghana ye no oba no ye tra na ha enye Ghana 40 ani oba no ye gya no na akwa China. We had Operation Vanguard to the extent say do baby no na o pesa we military ni and as a soldier ni no wa Operation Vanguard mu a na wo sika no nya bi ni. We had Owura Kennedy Japan. Obama a very explosive comment. Any revelation better just say even one call for this cabrano or in the name so Obama be a part of Operation Vanguard. And we'll catch it just say there are individuals within the MPP, within the party, woman sorry, woman Galamsey, and in an effort to be fighting against President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo wana motuo ene ujumedi ewutu
Oga Galamsey nsema enye kwa usinkwa empemfo bebrezu ka they should bow their head and shake down their head and shake that time enye ministry nkwa get MPP from empemfo they should stay away adia President Akufo-Addo kaso benga say Akufo-Addo to say Edia esiwa eni when the Galamsey madam I'm telling you men this from Akufo-Addo what to say Edia esiwa eni when it comes to Galamsey Akufo-Addo are not complete.
That is Owura Kennedy Japan, Central member of Central member of Parliament. Kennedy Japan Assembly, Mr. President. We had announced the expose our debate implicating major individuals our party move to the extent they say interministerial committee Ralph Frempong Boateng Charles Bisu and several individuals and Mr. President, the last time I heard you are still calling for say yemfa evidence mra ansana yetimia prosecuting na no prayer that sorry ya Mr. President. Yes, I National Forum. National Forum, no people say we are discussing a way out. I ever fight Galamsey. I tell for Monko a Facebook page. Now, I share videos of how devastating ensure ayebu no. I saw this river with Eastern region. Pipe ayebu no adani koko na ensure no efrimu eba. To say enifi no Ghana water. Say billions of enro and yetodigu nsuo. And the next 5 years, most of our river bodies say ebere. Mr. President, the last 4 years, fighter who frasiya kama no. I can tell you for a fact. Say you ended on the wrong note. Yantimi am fighting Galamsey no. We failed. Failed no will be a bigger word. But Mr. President, at the end that so biem na wo ho kire say at least we did something. Se see me no wo kasai ye te sete up say community mining mabru obia nipa more than 400 ye could train wo mo otakwa ye do mo ba ye all in the name say nke betimi amasafo no ye be empower wo mo na yetimi ama wo mo nimdie ye be ye mining no in a very decent way. Wow, Minister, Environment, Chairman of the Interministerial Committee, Ralph Frempong Boateng, issue of excavators. Ninyina ya no ma ba kumpo ya certain example and can't say boni we ya wadino Mr. President because I am committed to fighting Galamsey nti asumesi anaso benten mrani ni di ya de na kwakotum ya twena so aye ni sei emasuro bi ada ho. The question I pay you Mr. President say South Forum ya ye frasi enye Ghana your taxpayers money any ye kwako waste ni biem Edian how can you show Edian between the actually said the last 4 years just imagine watch this water ensure way every form and a Google go my Ghana and we are pretending to fighting Galamsey abra. When you have no other individual people like Kennedy Japan able to tell you, sir, Mr. President, why you dear we see why I don't win now I say most of your own people are one more air kono. One more
Akoma FM 87.9.
4 years are a enemy from the year 2021 to the year 2024, 2025, Mr. President. Different bay and ye betimi ameki in the fight against Galamsey ewo my Ghana. It will interest you to note say me no kasa CCA. China woman to Ghana yen good assassin swama. The last time news about any said woman who said you do cocoa, our woman so sport to cocoa, the Belgium, any other European countries, all in the name say woman so ye cocoa. Until almost say and sassy we are no mudia. China ni bay and a nim tontokrom. China ni bay will do Accra airport to honor onim Amansia West from Nananoma Hemfo. Eba be see DCs, eba be see individual ministers. Ye nyina will be an yetisim. Mr. President, what ten cry you? Who won't to galem say? Obiya ni Mr. President wo untu galem say. But ye se pania wo trafie man kwalawe nanka no ye ka nanka wefo a ye ka naka ho bi. Nsem bebre aba wo se ye mfa evidence mrew. Mr. President, what else do we need? The commitment na akoma na wo di frase ye no. Wo nkofo na wo nsessim from party chairman ekosi organizer youth na nipa bebre. Operation Vanguard for Edu baby no money interministerial committee dia boani e mining site. Just watch a video. Our journalists call site. Soldiers attutuo, police attutuo ni nyina ne say wey pani wey and our soldiers e protect no. And a pani wey and a police force to protect no. Then you had Chinese for ya to omo fa and a we so to omo fa no mo nyina gu site. Just watch the video. Mr. President, watch this video. Minim say wahwe video awo hwe China for any Ghana for you kura you protect Chinese. You kura AK-47 armed on camera and wo mu gina China for nie and e Ghana for metro men and e kura and a protect Chinese. All because yentimi enya obi emfa set example. The last time I checked, meeting a year on April ye and pennyfo ne say ade ye be fight galamsey. Na the new approach na ye de aba ye fight galamsey no a consultative forum ye nyina ye. Mr. President, you were at the forum. At the forum you had this to say.
Government has a major responsibility to this end, as we are accountable for the stewardship of this sector, as indeed we are of all other sectors of national life. I am determined to enforce the laws on illegal mining, no matter the subject, high or low. I will, however, not act on hearsay or mere allegations without more. I will not hesitate to act, though, where the evidence is hard before the police, and I'll do so irrespective of the standing of the person or persons involved. That is the true meaning of equality before the law.
Mr. President, I mean, at them way, yatio, waka, obien, wa obetimi den nsatena wo so. But Mr. President, what evidence biem na we here? Adia biem na we here to say now must see in somewhat the next 4 years. And I'll pay Mr. President question back up and a yebisa. How is this fight different from 4 years there? Akoswono. So fight here I started 4 year term. I was starting I forum who on crying. Na sabe o ye galem say ho forum. No akotan crying. Abra wasa kropon wo ho, asankragua wo ho, abra tontokrom amansia wo ho, a wo mutu gala no. Kwa don ko be se maka brofo a anti de oya gala se kwa no, ono asem no kra wanti bi. Ena no pay. Ne obia ebisa ne say. Last 4 years, Operation Vanguard, more than 15 million. More than 15 million Ghana cedis. Because on the Omo Akatia, every Operation Vanguard nipa bakubia near man 1,200 as allowance. Week bia 1,200. Omo fu near the ademai nipa bakubia. Almost a adjustment for more than 3 years. Nipa ne wom ebru 600 to 1,000. Okay, kani nyina bomwa. Ghana for bisa se se kasa na ye say no e ka ben ye boy ye our last 4 years in fighting or in the name of fighting illegal mining. My Ghana, Mr. President, how much did we spend? I can tell you, a car boy in fighting Galamsey the last 4 years, no. A bet me as schools, Maku 120. And yet normal simple school, modern school, more than 120. Obianka says half approach, it was a better approach. But we watched on. Emma individuals are ye nim egum ye we are president. Ni bisa where is the evidence? Where is the evidence? Mr. President, minim se winim pa, but anopɛ de ye ka nyina ne se. Anamo ye 2 years ye be ko Galamsey no. Ya hwɛ ni ye. Oh my Ghana ye talk on with the natural resources and a Ghana with and a Ghana with a no. China for buy a omuko tonto krom no omu samanse koko ne edua omuko ane ya tu koko na ya sekuafo no omu to koko nua no trees no seeds no efri Ghana na omu de akọ China to omu start experimenting nti nua na nkasa koko dua na ho no ne atwitwa no kakra omu kọ a omu di nuogu ho ebe no ye mfa na dua ba ni kura nua o na chese omu di ni nyina edekọ abusanfo China fo twa koko enua na ye omo tono omu twa omo mane nka Ghana ho omu di nua ni nyina ekọ ye nua e de ye niam bebre the next 5 years wo hwe nsu aye nom ene se de omo hata koko enafo a hata koko omu koko hata ne kura efe kura keke e che Ghana koko no hata kura no omo ade swag e de aka ho and yet here can we say the next 10 years ensu aye nom de Galamsey ekoso yesika yetu says ya hwe ya Mr. President a time will come with my say I fought the fight but Obi Abeka say you didn't fight a good fight. Ghana your executive president it be bia the back stops at you the president. Na no na me hwe Malawi omo president oma COVID obia impo COVID funder sika no a obi ede kokoye meeting kaka na eri kwaso de ye no ya che na tum. Ghana ye hia sa suban we bi we need that radical approach in fighting Galamsey. Say individuals say yenim wo mo a wo mo tu na ema o man na say no say yantimi anhu sa commitment ya Mr. President. The next 4 years in the enemy, your chapter 2 fight of Galamsey. I am not a doomsayer and I'm not a prophet of doom. But said the who no last 4 years and yes I heard the biamu dia and Mr. President I hear your mind ye bebo kakwa. Ye pese ye kan nyina say situation no a very dire situation. A very dangerous. The ensu asay effected ba akomapa ne wo ho Mr. President obi ani age ho anamo a pese wutu but ye kan say ma unkofo bidimu a etim omuti womonsa womonam eti no womo konsimu a etu gala no let hold them accountable eniama bebre ena ekoso Mr. President Ghana ebeda wase now presidency had to line 4 years ago no yami anim no bia hu se yensuo no da so asei chebi river ofe ankobra ena Ghana nsu akase adi bodua nyina sign atase no ama sisi yensuo no wudi bodua kora enye ye biem sia Ghana ye nsuo bia ahohoma wonsuo no nyina atu all because ye tu Galamsey dia se no situation remains the same and now ko fa camera tu ko ho nana hwe nipa egu kwayim e tu Galamsey no ye tu ne ba ye tu kwa Asante region ukwa babia eguso temu Mr. President temu your ministers enim obia nim ye tem ye tu na awia lajo anwumra sese ampo de obia nkata so because ye gu interministerial committee ye gu Operation Vanguard ye gu bibia. What is the new approach? Ma yenhu sa new approach no na yenhu ni sa komapa no wo ho na ye betimi aboa Mr. President until say ye nyina saa pepa na wowo ne akoma na wo pese oboa na wo mpanimfo bi ni mu atiti mu a edi gala no de wo nsa benkum ne nifa nyina edi no wobetimi atwe wo masoma Ghana fo hu se asotwe bi akwa ama wo mo no 4 years the year 2021 ye be sa ba be gina ha wo be frɛ national forum say ye be yempe kwan chapter 3 yempe kwan be fa so e be tu galamsey ase and Ghana edu ho no na ye kokoko asai na China fo importers of cocoa womo export cocoa eko babia na Ghana ye da so ye be import nsuo aba Ghana because ye nsuo ye bibia timi asai ne akuafo bibia enhye nkran Mr. President anopay de ye kan nyina ne say o chapter 2 our person fighting galamsey no ma Ghana fo hu na ye hu say aba no a wo de botachi no wo de boba na boa emo my Ghana yetimi akoye nim ente sa de a abushafo de yensuo a yebu ensu a yetu fra asase so a yenom eni na wo hwe no that is the water maybe a level adu no obi be ka say na nka yemfrase a nka sabiri nka say kra yes Mr. President nka say but the can say we can do better than the year we until we are all done Mr. President I am done. Me did the Duanaba, Kofi Asante. Good morning, Mr. President.